Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accounts section, then you have to tap add account, then select Google. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account. Next you will have to do to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, what you have to do is to tap accept here. And after that, account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here and then tap remove account and confirm it by tapping remove account one more time, and after that account will be removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.